So Central Piedmont Community College was founded in 1963. The college is 63 years old. We now have 6 campuses spread over pretty much every quadrant of Mecklenburg County. Here in Charlotte, our facilities cover approximately 4 million square feet, about 250 acres, and we manage right at about 68 buildings. Was able to come aboard with the college during a very pivotal time in its history and facilities anyway. The college had decided to transition over to an outsourced maintenance model, and we've had a facilities maintenance partner since 2012. They provide everything for the college as far as the day-to-day operations. And so if there's an ABM technician who is trying to find some data or some information on a piece of equipment or on a building, he can access his mobile device. And so if he wants to communicate something about an issue in the field, we're all talking the same thing because we're using the same device, and that information can be shared in a multitude of ways so that we can get to the end result is to get a problem fixed so that our business operations are not interrupted.
If I need access to shutoffs, I can find it quick on my phone and on my tablet. I just go to it and pull up the app, and it'll show everything. The drawing is right there. You have no problem. Just tell you it's going to ceiling, shut off valves, where they at, where they're located, what room, what area, and you got the good technology right there.
We had a leak in one of our buildings, and the leak was in the restroom, and the leak actually ended up being behind the wall. So our main valves that we cut off, it didn't resolve the issue. The water's still flowing through. And we know with any kind of construction, sometimes they don't put them where they're supposed to be. In this case, the valves weren't there. So what it allowed us to do was verify they weren't there and then create a plan for future for us to install those valves so that we can make the service a lot quicker next time.
On one campus, we have a building that's 100 years old, and right next to it is a 2-year-old building. And the technology and the many phases that we've had on the 100-year-old building, it's great to see the 100-year-old as-built that were hand-drawn and compare that with new drawings, and we can go back and look for where an electrical panel was or walls could be moved and be able to share that information and try to find information that would have taken a long time or gone and damaged walls to try to find a shutoff.
We have tablets, we have phones, having all that at your fingertips on a day-to-day when you've got between 50 and 60 buildings you take care of. Being a human being, there's no way possible to remember and log all that in our brains. It's just not possible at all.
With this technology, we can take a person who's been on the job for a few weeks or someone who's been here for 40 years and have them on the same level playing field.
If a tech is out in the field troubleshooting a problem, the last thing they want to do is pack up their tools, go back to the office, go to the tech library where we keep paper drawings, and try to trace out where that problem is coming from. So having drawing information on a mobile device, whether it's your phone or your tablet in the field, makes a huge difference. It saves time, it enables us to be accurate, and it improves the occupant experience, which is really what matters here at Central Piedmont. We're all about providing an excellent educational environment.
We all are using the same tools on a day-to-day basis, and we all are speaking the same language on a day-to-day basis when we utilize these tools.